Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this hair. Okay, you think it's braided? You think I braided this? You think I braided this? Baby girl, no, it's a wig. It's a wig. It's a wig. It's a wig. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys different ways that you can style your knotless braids. That's a wig. Okay, this is going to be a very special type of styling video just because I have on a wig right now. I don't know if you guys can see. I have my adult hairs, adulting. Everything is looking very adult here. We're giving wig. But I just wanted to show you guys different ways that you can style this hair so you're not just wearing it flat on your head. A lot of these styles are not going to be showing the back of the head just because, again, it's a wig. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can finagle that and still look very cute while doing so. If you are interested in seeing those styles, make sure that you keep watching this video. But before I get into all of the wonderful styles, make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. If you do want to see more content like this, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Lexsa Marie. So without further ado, we're gonna hop straight into this styling tutorial, babes. This styling tutorial. So the very first hairstyle that I will be doing is very simple. I'm literally just going to bring it to the side. As you can see what I'm doing right now, this is just like a simple side part. It's not too deep, but definitely it does change the look. I don't care what anyone says. Side parts look good on some people. Sometimes, you know, they don't look good on some people. But I wanted to show you guys this look because it's super easy to do with the wig and your natural hair. And you can also do it on the other side. So what I did after this side, I just flipped it over. And it was a look. It was a different look, at least in my eyes. But it was a look, and I absolutely love that this hair can just kind of like go on either side. It's very free flowing. So, you know, once your braids start to loosen up throughout the week, or you have a braided wig like myself, yeah, both sides, boo. It could switch up your entire look. Now this next look you can do with any other scarf. Particularly I would probably do it with the white scarf, but I couldn't find my scarf for some reason. But all I am doing, y'all, all I am doing is putting my hair up. I had my hair down. You're gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all, trust me. I have my hair down. I took the two sides of the scarf, and then I wrapped it around the braids. So you're gonna see a little bit what I did right here. You see how I wrapped it around the braids while I had my head down and just tied a knot in the back? It's that simple. It's that simple. And the reason I put my head down is because it's easier to gather all of that hair to the top of your head, just in my opinion. But this is just a simple style that you can do, especially for the summer, just to switch up your look. Me personally, I probably would have chose like a white scarf or like a solid color scarf, something to give my braids a little bit more of a pop and just my skin more of a pop. But look at this. Isn't it just gorgeous? So for this next look here, I just wanted to do something, again, super simple. This is a wig, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna, you see that, girl? Ooh. But what I did was just put half of my hair in a ponytail, and then I just left the two front out. And when I'm telling you guys, this was so cute. Like, this is something you can do for like a casual day. You don't want to do anything too crazy with your hair. And once that hair is up, you won't even notice the sides. Like, look at that. It's so adorable. I am so happy that this hair in the front looks so natural because you would literally never know. You would never know that this is a wig. For this next look, I would consider this like a very goddess-like style. What you see me doing right now is just flat twisting the hair to the center of the back of my head, if that makes sense. So you see I am just doing it, and then once it goes to my ear, I just braid or twist that all the way down. So once it's twisted down, I kind of just have something to hold it so it doesn't untwist itself, and then I just go in and I do the other side. Me personally, if you have a chunkier face, I'm not sure how this is going to look on you, but I feel like, at least in my opinion, it definitely did frame out my face very nicely. I used to do this with my braids all of the time. It gave me a different look, a different type of style. And again, like, this is so cute for this summer.
There's nowhere to go. 'Cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home.
This is another lazy style that I have here. Again, we love the side parts, okay? But what's going to be different about this is that I'm going to bring it under my braids. And I'm going to tie it in the back with a little piece of hair that's already back there, if that makes sense. There's a couple braids that are under, all the way at the bottom at the nape of my neck, that I'm going to tie that side part piece with, and all I'm going to do is just tie it. And I would recommend, if your hair is dark, you have a dark scrunchie. If your hair is light, have a light scrunchie so it kind of blends in. I just had that red one just for the video, but as you can see, it looks so gorgeous. I love the side swoop. This is just another half up, half down style. The only difference is that you can do it with or without those little two pieces in the front, but I feel like, in my opinion, this is higher on my head, so it does give a different look. But again, like, these styles are just something that you want to do in under 2 minutes. Like, all of the looks I'm giving you, it's like, let me switch up my look and put this pony in, or let me braid my hair and do this with my hair. Like, it's nothing too crazy that is super intricate that, you know, nobody can do. But I did this look, I did it to the side, and it looked very playful, very fun. And then I also took out the two pieces in the front and had that look as well. So this is going to be a repeat of one of my favorite looks, which is a side part, but this is a deep side part, like super deep side part. This is like where it's like only two braids on the other side. I love side parts. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. I know some people will be like, oh my god, it's the same thing, but it's really not, okay? It's really not. We showing a little bit more scalati. We showing a little bit more scalp. But if you feel like this isn't enough and you want to add some flair to this, wear a scarf with this same look. I'm telling you right now, that pink scarf that I used, I paired it with this look and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I brought it under and then I wrapped it on top. I did not make a knot or anything, and then I made a knot in the back of my head. You're going to see what I do with this. I kind of make like a side bang, which gives very 50s a little bit, not really 50s, but once I tie it, you're gonna see I'm gonna pull out that side that has extra braids, and it's gonna look so gorgeous.
Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to show. to go. Is the thing we're searching for? It's just waiting back.
Okay, so that is all of like the unique-ish hairstyles that I could do with this hair. Again, you probably are like, why didn't you do a bun? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Like, I was trying to think of like the most easiest styles you can do just to dress up your knotless braids, something that doesn't require much work, because I know these can be super heavy. Even as a wig, these can be super heavy. So I tried to find some styles that is like low tension, easy to do with a wig, easy to do with your natural hair, like in braids. So these are the styles that I was able to come up with. So hopefully you guys did pick up some looks. I think my favorite look was this, honestly, with the little bang on the side, bringing it out. I think it's super sophisticated, super pretty. And you can dress it up or you can dress it down. So if you want to see more videos like this, more styling videos, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to know where I got this hair from and you want to see me install it from how it was looking before, then go watch that video right now, sis. Go watch that video, because this hair is worth it. You see how long it is? It's worth it. I'm giving it to you. It's worth the money. So if you want to know where I got this braided wig from, make sure you check it out after this. But follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Lexsa Marie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.